Hello there everybody, Swandzz here today to make a video. As you can see right off the bat, I wanted to show you guys the new masks I've been making. My friend is letting me borrow her Cricut Joy, and I've been cutting out all kinds of awesome designs and making all sorts of awesome things. Just today I made this Inuyasha themed sweatshirt that says Inuyasha on the sleeve. How cute is that? And this is my original artwork, and it says Mutt right there. So cute. So if you are interested in hearing more about the masks and things I've been making, you can check out my Instagram, which is up here at the top as always, and that's where I list my sales posts for that stuff. As you guys may or may not know, I started working on the second edition of my tarot deck, the Soul Ink Tarot. So the first deck was black and white, and the major arcana had a color tint on them that was tinted the same as their element. Air, fire, earth, water, you know, so on and so forth. So the second version of the deck has all of the major arcana completely colored, and then the minor arcana now has the element related color tint. So I'm going to be unboxing these and showing you guys the prototype. I'm super excited. Here they are in their shrink wrap. Now for the second version of the deck, I believe that I want to change the packaging up a little bit. I think I'm going to go with like a velvet bag, like shrink wrapped and then a velvet bag perhaps. They still have the gold around the edges, as you can see, but the back is now different, and I'll show you guys what the old back looks like. So tarot decks often have mirrored images on the back so that you can't tell whether or not the cards are upside down or right side up. And that's what I did, except for the color I chose lets you know whether or not it's upside down or right side up. If you get used to the deck enough, you'd know because the colors are different. So on the new deck, it is completely the same on both sides, so you won't be able to tell whether or not it's upside down or right side up, like it was intended in the first place. As you can see, they do have the gloss finish still, and we're just gonna go through all of the major arcana, and then I think we'll go quickly through the minor arcana because you've seen the designs before, but you haven't seen them colored. Oh, and neither have I. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the first one we have is the Fool. Okay. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor, the Hierophant. Oh gosh, they're so slippery. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged Man. Death. Temperance. The Devil, which is my favorite freaking card. I just really love how it came out colored. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. And lastly, wait, nope, the Sun. And lastly, nope, Judgment. And lastly, the world. I don't know why I kept forgetting what order they were in. So there they all are, fully and completely colored. And as you notice, there is a new layout on the card as well. Now we have this black inner border and the accents are tinted gold. And this is a Wands card, as you can see. This is the Ace of Wands, and so it has that red tint. And so all of the Wands cards are now going to have that red tint for fire. Oops. Then the cups have the blue tint for water, of course. Oh, are you stuck together? Look at that one, so blue. Then the swords are yellow for air. And then our pentacles, lastly, are going to be green for earth. So there you guys have it. The new and hopefully improved Soul Ink Tarot deck. If you are interested in purchasing this deck, it is now available as a pre-order on my website, soulinktarot.com. That'll also be linked in the description. It's also linked in my About on YouTube where I have all my links. The price is the same as last time. However, my patrons do have access to a discount code. So if you are my patron, even if you only pledge me $1 a month, you will get it $10 off. So you'll get it for $60. So yeah. You could literally sign up for my Patreon and save yourself $9 if you wanted to. Because they are 70 plus shipping. So if you're interested, go ahead and head over to my website, check that out. Otherwise, feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below about how I went about making the tarot deck. However, I will link in a card to a video I have called How to Make a Tarot Deck in 5 Steps, where I pretty much break down exactly what I did. There's also a tutorial I have up where I show you guys how I take traditional art and then digitize it for actual print. So that is it for now. I'm super excited. If you guys are seeing this video, it means the tarot deck is available for pre-order. Unless, of course, the pre-order has closed. But if this is much later in the future when you're watching this video and you navigate over to the website and the deck says out of stock, then it's out of stock. Alright, now I'm going to take a moment to thank my patrons. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It means the world to me. Now I will verbally thank my diamond tier patron. Thank you very much, Sarah. Your love is chef's kiss as always, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Okay, you can click all of my little buttons, my subscribe me circle, my video or playlist that is listed, and you will also find that link to my Patreon where you can support me for as little as $1 a month. Love you guys. Bye!